Gus Schmidt, and I'm back again with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading stocks on the platform, available stocks. So if we click on our assets here, we have various assets available to trade. I'm going to be focusing on the stocks, regular stocks, not the OTC stocks. So there are only a few regular stocks available here. So let's click on. No, we don't want the OTCs, so we unclick them. But I already have the regular stocks checked off here so that they appear at the top of the chart. Not all the stocks are available during certain times of the day, but we're going to focus on the ones that are available here. So I'm going to be utilizing two indicators, and the two indicators are the Supertrend and the Fractal. Okay. And for my super trend setting here, when I click on the pencil icon, I'm going to maintain the default settings, ATR period 10, multiplier 3. We're going to keep and in the style settings, I've increased the line with the 2 pixels each here. And for the fractal, we're also going to maintain the default setting, which is period 2. And in the style settings, I have the up line set to green and the down set to red here. So we're going to go ahead and save. So we have our little fractal dots here. The red dot represents a bullish reversal. The green represents a bearish reversal. And for my candlestick chart, I have the candle set to 1 minute here, regular Japanese candles. And for my trade timer, I've set the trade time to 3 minutes. So I'll be taking 3-minute trades while looking at these 1 minute candles. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here and change the time to H1 here so I can see the chart a little better here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on Tesla right now and I haven't taken the trade yet. I'm waiting for this candle. We already have a sell signal here set up on the super trend, and the fractal is showing us a bearish reversal here. But what I'm going to do is I'm waiting for this candle to break below this line here, this green buy line here. And once it does that, I'm going to take a sell trade. That's the trigger for me. Okay, so all right, so the candle has fallen below, but I'm going to wait for the candle, this 1 minute candle, to close below this line here, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade. So let's monitor this candle here. And make sure we have this third confirmation here. We have the fractal here and the sell signal. Okay. All right, so I just took a sell trade here. Okay, so the candle just closed below the line here. So what we have here is the fractal printing above the line here, which suggests a bearish reversal occurring. In addition to that, the super trend gives us a sell signal as well. And thirdly, the price broke below and closed below this green line, this green buy line here. So let's monitor this trade for the 3 minutes and wait for the expiration. Price is actually pushing downward here. And you see these bearish candles here, several bearish candles developing here, these 1 minute candles. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for my next setup. Okay, so I'm on Johnson and Johnson stock right now, and I'm waiting for this candle to close above this red line before I take the trade. This current green candle here. Uh, we have about uh, let's see, 14 seconds left. Hopefully, it'll close above that line there. Okay. So I went ahead and took the trade. The candle closed, this previous green candle closed above this sell line here. So the reason why I took the trade is, first of all, we have the buy signal on the super trend. Secondly, we have the fractal prints below the candles here, which suggest a bullish momentum to the upside. And then thirdly, I waited for the candle to close above the sell signal here. So all three confluences have been met, which tells me there's going to be a bullish trade, a bullish momentum to the upside over the next 3 minutes of the trade here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. It's pushing slightly higher. Few seconds left. Okay, great. So we won that trade. Very important that I waited for the candle to close above this red sell line here. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for our next setup. I took a buy trade on ExxonMobil here, and the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, we have the red fractal printed, signifying a bullish momentum here. Secondly, I have the buy signal, which printed as well. And third, this candle closed above the sell line here. So we have the three confirmations here. Even though I see a green fractal here, I think it's going to be temporary because we have the buy signal and the candle already closed above the line here. So let's monitor this trade over the next 3 minutes and wait for the expiration. Okay, the price appears to be pushing upward here, despite this green fractal here, uh, which most likely will, if it keeps pushing further upward, this fractal may disappear. Okay, so we won that trade. Uh, my prediction was correct here. The price continued to push above the red sell line here. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for my next setup. Okay, I'm on Facebook here, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the sell trade is, first of all, we have the Supertrend signal printing here. Secondly, I have the fractal that prints right along with the Supertrend here, which suggests a bearish trend to the downside here. And thirdly, we have this candle, this previous red candle here, prints below this green level of support here on the buy signal here, right here. So we have all three confluences that have been met. So I took the sell trade over the next 180 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration here. Also, even though the price closed here, and the fractal printed along with this the Supertrend sell indicator here, it retraced back. So I didn't take the trade here. I kind of waited for it to retrace back to the line here, and then when I saw this strong red candle close, that's when I took the trade. All right, so let's wait for the expiration. Okay, great. So we won that trade. The candle was beginning to retrace back, but I got enough of a good entry price for the trade to win. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for one last setup. Okay, so I'm on Tesla, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, first of all, we have the Supertrend printing sell here. Secondly, I have the green fractal, which printed above the candles here, suggesting a bearish momentum to the downside. And then thirdly, I have this candle closing below this green line here, this green buy signal line. So this suggests a continued bearish movement to the downside in the price of the Tesla stock here. So let's monitor this trade. We have some strong bearish candles that have developed as well. Uh, so we have the confluences of all three signals here. The sell signal on the super trend, the green fractal printing a bearish reversal here, and the price closing below the signal line, the buy signal line here. Price is retracing a little bit back, but I think we're pretty good here with the entry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to end the trading session here. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any suggestions or questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up to date with my latest trading strategies. I also have a link to the trading platform in the video comments and or in the channel description. Also, I just wanted to make note that I've only been risking about 1 to 2% of my balance as part of uh, good money management. You don't want to risk huge amounts, huge percentages of your balance, because huge bets can lead to huge losses as well. The whole idea is you want to be consistently profitable. And by being consistently profitable, following the rules of the strategy, you'll be able to consistently grow your account over time. It's not a get rich quick scheme. I've developed these strategies over many years trading. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Gus Schmidt.